Hello friends, welcome to you from Mega TRX. It comes with the best plan of this era. If you want great income, watch this video till the end. In this video we will discover about cryptocurrency. Because cryptocurrency is now becoming a global currency. Means this concept has neither any owner nor control of any government. This concept works on peer-to-peer base. This works on Tron blockchain technology. What is Tron? Tron is a blockchain-based decentralized platform that aims to build free, global digital content entertainment system with distributed storage technology, and allows easy and cost-effective sharing of digital content. Now we know more about this concept. So this TRX program is going to launch worldwide with Mega TRX DeFi token. Friends, let's talk about the power of smart contract. This is decentralized crypto payment gateway. Here is Forex trading with MTRX. Here is crypto wallet, and this is decentralized multi-utility application. Company name is Mega TRX and its website is www.megatrx.io. Mega TRX has been started MTR token. Okay friends, let's know about first MTR token. MTR token is a digital coin like other tokens. This is future currency. If you take this token today, whose today's price is about 4 rupees, and in future it will be about 250 to 300 rupees. From this in the future you will get more profit. Talking more about this, so its symbolic name will be MTR, its decimals will be 8, supply will be of 10 million tokens, soft cap will be of 250 million, hard cap will be of 600 million, and it shall be exchangeable with BTC, ATH, TRX, XRP and USDT currencies. Let's talk about the features of this concept. So friends, with whichever amount you started here, you get 4 times profit without any working. This is the first concept in which you can be exchanged TRX with cryptocurrency started by RBI. As I told you earlier, this is 100% decentralized concept. $50,000 value MTR tokens will be distributed among the first 1,000 lucky participants. This smart contract follows the 2x8 Redukal matrix system. The placement of ID occurs here from top to bottom and left to right with the multiple of 2. Let's know about the joining. You will start here with only 200 Tron. Friends, here 75 TRX goes to direct sponsor income, 25 TRX goes to smart magic income, and 100 TRX goes to royalty income. As I told you earlier, here you will get 4 times non-working income, means you will get non-working income of 800 Tron as magic pool income. Types of income of this concept are direct income, magic income, global autofill, level income and royalty income. Friends, this concept works completely automatic. Here when you use your ID, then 100 Tron will goes to global matrix and 100 Tron goes to level matrix. Here when you enter and globally 3 IDs comes in your downline, you will earn 300 Tron. Here your ID will be upgraded with 200 Tron and you will get 100 Tron in your wallet, which you can withdraw. Like this, when at second level 3 ID comes under you, you will earn 600 Tron. After that your ID will be auto upgrade with 400 Tron and 200 Tron will go to your wallet. Like this is shown on chart. From third level you will earn 400 Tron, from fourth level you will earn 800 Tron, and from fifth level you will earn 4800 Tron. Here your ID will reopen with 200 Tron and you will get 4600 Tron. And friends, you will earn here again and again. Now friend, we will talk about remaining 100 Tron. 10% deduction will be done here, which will be for non-working income. Remaining 90 Tron goes to our first upline. And second to fifth upline will get 11 Tron each. Here from this entire pool we will earn 6100 Tron. Our next pool is bronze. Here we will enter with 400 Tron and we will earn 12,200 Tron. Like this, our next pool is silver. Here we will enter with 800 Tron and we will earn 24,400 Tron. After silver, our next pool is gold. Here we will enter with 1600 Tron and we will earn 48,800 Tron. Like this, our next pool is platinum. Here we will enter with 3000 Tron and we will earn 91,500 Tron. Our next pool is diamond. Here we will enter with 6000 Tron and we will earn 183,000 Tron. Like this, our next pool is titanium. Here we will enter with 10,000 Tron and we will earn 305,000 Tron. Our next pool is champion. Here we will enter with 40,000 Tron and we will earn 1,220,000 Tron. Now friend, our next income is royalty. This income is divided into 4 parts. Here 100 Tron will goes to royalty from each joining. When you refer 5 direct ID, you will be eligible for Star Club. For distribution, this income company collect 10 Tron from each new joining and equally distribute to all Star Club achievers. Friend, when your 5 direct members become Star, you will become Silver. For distribution, this income company collect 20 Tron from each new joining and equally distribute to all Silver Club achievers. Like this, when your 10 direct members become Silver, you will become Gold. For distribution, this income company collect 30 Tron from each new joining and equally distribute to all Gold Club achievers. When your 10 direct members become Gold, you will become Diamond. For distribution, this income company collect 40 Tron from each new joining and equally distribute to all Silver Club achievers. And friend, you will get this income continues. Now friend, will we know about terms and conditions. All payments with Mega TRX are paid directly and instantly to all community members. Since all the payments are made peer-to-peer, Mega TRX never store any of your personal information or wallet addresses. Friends, it's a fully secure and transparent plan. Friends, this plan can change your life and it will fulfill all your dreams. For more detail, visit our website www.megatrx.com or contact our helpline number. Friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.